is easy and delicious.
Stir-fried vegetarian salted fish with bean sprouts, savory and crispy, uniquely delicious, perfect with rice. Vegetarian salted fish is typically made from tofu or mushrooms, offering a firm texture and savory umami taste with a milder fermented flavor than real salted fish. The air-fried vegetarian salted fish turns crispy outside yet chewy inside, while stir-fried versions soak up flavors for a tender bite. Both ways shine with bean sprouts. Bean sprouts are packed with fiber, vitamin C, and minerals low in calories yet great for digestion, perfect for a nutritious diet. Ingredient: bean sprouts, vegan salted fish, vegan dried shrimps, chili, ginger. Cubes chilies and set aside. Stir-fried chili peppers with bean sprouts deliver a spicy crunch and aromatic kick, bold flavor that fires up your appetite. For non-spicy lovers, chili garnishes add vibrant color without overwhelming heat. Food styling made effortless and appetizing. Rinse bean sprouts gently under running water, then drain thoroughly. Crisp results start with proper washing. Rinse bean sprouts under cool running water, gently rubbing with fingertips to loosen husks. The crisp, translucent sprouts left behind are ready to shine in your dish. Bean sprout husks are edible yet slightly fibrous. Rinsing removes them easily for a purely tender bite. Drain bean sprouts, removing excess moisture ensures a crispier stir-fry every time. Air-fried vegetarian shrimp turns crispy golden, while stir-fried versions soak up sauces like flavor sponges to textures, double the deliciousness. Lightly spray with all before air frying for extra crispness. Air fryer for approximately 5 minutes at 160 degrees. Oil fry air-fried vegan salted fish. Air fryer for approximately 8 to 10 minutes at 160 degrees.
It's tasty already.
Crumbled vegetarian salted fish adds crispy texture, and umami bursts, perfect for sprinkling into stir-fries or salads. Saw Japanese mom sharing her bean sprout cooking tips online. Gonna try them out today. Start bean sprouts in cold water. Then bring to a boil together. Keeps them crisp yet removes raw edges. Tried it and it works like a charm, so easy. Now I'll never overcook bean sprouts again. You may also ice bath shock. Stops cooking instantly plus contracts fibers that just picked crispness guaranteed. Also, pro hack is to add 1 tsp vinegar in water. Gentle acidity brightens color while enhancing that satisfying snap. This soy sauce is getting a zesty upgrade. Tart, bright, and mouth-wateringly good, perfect for dipping or drizzling. Add bean sprouts. Garnish with handful of crumbled vegan salted fish on top. Garnish with another thick layer of crispy vegan fried shrimps, aka soy flakes, which is 100% plant-based. A sprinkle of red chili rings transforms dishes' vibrant color pops with just a whisper of heat for instant elegance. Blanched bean sprouts, chilled for crunch, drizzled with light soy sauce and topped with crispy vegetarian salted fish and shrimp bits, a healthy yet addictive mix of freshness and umami that pairs perfectly with steamed rice. The fermented aroma of veg salted fish and oceanic notes of veg shrimp meld into the sprouts, creating layers of flavor that are lighter yet just as satisfying as the original. A lifesaver for summer appetites, ready in 5 minutes while packing fiber and plant-based protein. Say goodbye to boring stir-fried sprouts. This upgraded version even wins over picky eaters. Bean sprouts' tender texture is senior-friendly, while their bioavailable protein and vitamin C boost immunity and digestion. Packed with antioxidants to slow cellular aging and potassium to regulate blood pressure, they're ideal for age-related conditions. Their high-fiber, low-calorie profile aids bowel movement and weight management without straining the body. Enzymes in sprouts enhance nutrient absorption, addressing common elderly malnutrition subtly yet effectively. Consuming sprouts 2 to 3 times weekly stir-fried or in soups offers affordable light wellness for golden agers. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah! I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah.